Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this page isn't available at the moment on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you're facing this type of issue that you see a message this page isn't available right now on Facebook, so let's see how can you fix that. So basically it happens when your network is weak. So now to fix that you just have to fix your network. So here you just have to scroll in control center and you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and you have to simply open your app store here, go for search and you have to search for Facebook and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Facebook app. If you find try to update your Facebook app after updating, you just have to go back and here you have to open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So after disconnecting your VPN, you just have to go back from here and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to simply open your settings app again, then go for general again. This time you have to go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset your network settings, enter passcode, and after that select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any type of your data, so you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue, or if your issue is still not fixed, so it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook apps. You just have to go for your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for your Facebook app here. You can try to offload app, or you can also try to delete the app. So after deleting or offloading, you just have to reinstall app, and after reinstallation process your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.